Hey guys, welcome back to day 400 and something of our cabin future Airbnb build.
400, more like 900.
It's been a while. The birds are chirping. I love that.
Except for one bird.
So beautiful.
Except for that bird.
Oh my gosh, Jordan. It flew into the window. Oh, poor thing. So we're back at the cabin. Jordan and I brought a couple couches to clean out our shop at home, make room. We're just gonna prep our bedroom floor because we have a hole in it to get to the under the house. So we're gonna prep that floor, unload the couches, and just kind of make it a light day's worth of work, not start on the flooring in our room. And then we're gonna head back home and go to a baby shower. So this is the mess we need to clean up and then move those couches out. Can we do it? I think we can.
That was my cordless one, right?
Okay, it's all prepped and ready to floor. Now we just gotta unload some really heavy couches out of our car.
I called John.
I'm probably gonna drop it because it's really heavy, but it's okay. As long as it doesn't break. Fingers crossed. Here's the room. All that's left is a lonely glue gun. That needs to dry and harden, then we'll peel it up next time. We need to make room. We've decided to move the couch upstairs.
Good?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep going. Oh, you're waiting on me? Sorry.
Yeah.
But I can't see anything.
Okay, stop right there.
You're pushing. Okay.
Because we really need to stand this up. But I can't get down there really. So you have to grab it from like that part.
Mm-hmm.
And then you have to walk it up.
Okay, I don't want it.
And I'm gonna send mine straight up like this. There we go. Good? Get a new grip.
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2,
Now,
3.
if you push it towards me,
Yeah.
I don't know. Okay, and then I could lift it.
Yeah.
Can you lift it with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay.
So can you scoot that to the corner?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now I can lift
Yeah, we have enough room. So if you want to, lift there.
Actually, hold.
Yeah,
Okay. Wait.
Can you take a break or something?
No.
Okay, keep going.
Oh. I'm waiting on
Are
you.
we stuck?
Oh, I think we're stuck. Here, hold on. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm like dragging it. Oh, yeah. Oh, well, no one's gonna be looking up there.
No, it'll be dim.
It's just all about figuring out, yeah, because like, yeah. I mean, we could still have a sectional here. The other half can go there. I don't know. It'll be all good. Thank you, Grandma, for the couch. We appreciate it because we ran out of money.